Hello, this is Electronic System and Devices. Today's product is FIT 7323 Flow Indicator Batch Totalizer. This is 5-digit FIT. We have 6 keys: function, increment, shift and decrement, enter and clear button, run, stop. For programming, you need to press function key. First option is totalizer. Press enter key. Again, the first option here provided is totalizer reset. You can reset the totalizer by saying yes. Second option is totalizer resume or pause. Press enter key. Second mode is set point. First set point 3000. Press enter key. Relay logic, which can be high or low. Second set point 6000. Hysteresis is 10. Relay logic high. Third option is configuration. Here you can set the range. First option is decimal point. Since this is 5 digit, we will be giving decimal after 5th digit. Float type, which can be linear or square root. Flow unit, liter. Time base in minutes or seconds or hours. Input lower limit. Input upper limit, which is 10,000. Output lower limit. Output upper limit. Offset. Set point on totalizer, or it can be on flow as per your convenience. Then totalizer count, which can be up, down. Slave address for configuration and baud rate. For programming, for calibration, fourth mode, input calibration. Press enter. Password is 191. By giving input for photo 20, press enter. Then for 20 milliampere, thank you. Since this is batch totalizer and first set point is set on totalizer, you can manually set or start and stop the set point. For that, you need to press run, and by pressing stop, the set point relay is stopped. And by using clear, you can reset the totalizer or clear the totalizer in this manner. Thank you.